When I talk about divisibility, what do I mean? Well, I mean, can this number be divided by another number? For example, is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is, because 9 is 3 times 3. That's what I mean when I say divisible. I mean, is it a multiple of the smaller number? All right, so that's what we're talking about today. And for each number, 1 through 10, there is a sort of a shortcut or sort of a formula that you can use to indirectly tell whether a number is a multiple of that number or not. So we're going to start easy with 1. 1's a pretty simple one. Everything's divisible by 1. That's all there is to it. Every single integer, every single whole number, you divide it by 1, it just stays itself. You can take any group of objects and shuffle it into one group of that many objects. Pretty obvious, but it's good to know anyway. The second one, of course, is 2. And to tell whether a number is divisible by 2, you simply have to know, is it even or not? And actually, you don't even have to know if the whole number is even. You just have to know if the last digit is even. So for example, if I had a number like, I don't know, 5,432,166, whatever, all I have to do is look at the last digit and say, is that an even number? If the answer is yes, then the whole number is even, therefore the whole number is divisible by 2. Even and divisible by 2 are equivalent statements. They mean the same thing. So far, so obvious. Now, the rule for 3 is a little bit less obvious and a little bit weird. And I'm going to go ahead and do a video at some point on why this works. But for now, I'm just going to share it with you so that you can use it going forward. Okay? So to tell if something is divisible by 3, all you have to do is add up the digits. Let's do a quick example. Let's say we've got a number like 297. And I want to know, is that number divisible by 3? Well, what we do is we add up each digit as though they were each worth 1, rather than being worth tens and hundreds and that sort of thing. So we take 2 plus 9, which is 11, plus 7 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 18, we know, is divisible by 3, right? It's 3 times 6. So yes, 297 is divisible by 3 because when you add its digits up, you get a number that's divisible by 3. Let's do one more example. And I'm just going to pick this number just off the top of my head. 1,285. I have no idea if this number is divisible by 3 or not. We are going to find out. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 8 is 11, plus 5 is 16, which is not a multiple of 3, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 16 is not on that list. So 1,285 is not divisible by 3.